accurate. This ensures that the AI can adapt and perform reliably in real-world scenarios. Diving deeper into the toolkit of an AI developer, Python emerges as a star player. Its simplicity and readability make it the preferred choice for many. Complementing Python, TensorFlow, and PyTorch are powerful frameworks that provide the scaffolding necessary to build and train complex AI models. These tools are equipped with libraries that help in implementing neural networks, which are crucial for tasks such as image recognition, natural language processing, and more. The quality of data and the strategic design of algorithms are pivotal. They not only determine the effectiveness of AI solutions, but also their ability to be scalable and adaptable. For programmers, understanding and utilizing AI tools is becoming as fundamental as writing a loop or a conditional statement. So, what lies ahead for programmers in the age of AI? As artificial intelligence weaves itself more deeply into the fabric of technology, the role of programmers is not diminishing. Rather, it's evolving. Programmers are now becoming the architects of a new digital landscape, where they not only write code, but also teach machines how to learn from it. This shift demands a new set of skills, including a robust understanding of machine learning algorithms and data analytics. Moreover, as AI systems become more autonomous, the ethical implications grow more significant. Programmers must now consider not just how an AI functions, but also the moral dimensions of its functionality. This involves designing systems that are not only efficient, but also fair and unbiased. The challenge here is to continuously strive for AI that enhances societal values rather than undermines them. In this transformative era, embracing continuous learning is key. AI offers incredible potential for personal and professional growth by automating routine tasks and providing tools to solve complex problems more efficiently. As AI continues to evolve, so too must we. Embrace AI and let it amplify your capabilities as a programmer.